And so that's why they're wanting human input and trying to make sure these models don't collapse. But I'd love to kind of get your broader view as we fan out into some of your other skills, like experience sets, to share some of that.
Right. Well, so one of the main, one of my main personal passions, and sort of the foundation of my background that led me to decide to focus where we focus the work at my firm is, my honest passion for intellectual property creation and innovation. I named my own podcast after the term innovation. I think that entrepreneurial companies who innovate move the needle on commerce, and they move the needle in our culture. And I think that the legal system should support creators and innovators. And so IP is a huge part of what we do at my firm, and whether that is helping to create a clear pathway for protecting IP, for example, in the trademark realm, where companies are branding themselves or branding new products or services that they might want to put out into the market, whether it is enforcing the trademarks that protect the brands of our clients, or whether it's monetizing the intellectual property, whether it's a trademark license. For example, in the franchise world, trademark licensing is a huge component of franchising, as one example. Or, and then sliding over from trademark to copyright, there's another point of the IP. I use a triangle analogy for my rubric in evaluating the IP that any business has. There's brand, which is protected by trademark. Then there's your actual content, the stuff that you create, most of which you sell. And there is a copyright strategy or a trade secret strategy, depending upon how you go to market with what it is that you're creating.